Millions of U.S. beneficiaries rely upon their Medicare benefits to provide them with very broad health coverage. However, it is a mistake to assume that this coverage extends to most routine dental services. In fact, dental coverage under Medicare is very limited. So how do Medicare beneficiaries get coverage for routine dental services? Medicare beneficiaries have these basic choices to get help paying for most dental services. Medicare Advantage plans with dental benefits. Dental insurance policies sold by private insurance companies. Dental discount plans which help members save money but are not actually insurance plans. In addition, local foundations and governments often offer discount dental clinics for seniors, disabled people, and others with low income. Help may also be available at your local senior center or other organizations. To learn more about how to obtain dental coverage, call one of our trusted agents.